Okay then, so today we're going to be making some pepper water.
Rasam. We need lime size tamarind soaked in hot water till it goes pulpy.
Okay, so we've got some tamarind.
Then you got half a tin of tin tomato blended.
Okay.
Then we got all the powders.
Okay.
We got garlic powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of coriander, a teaspoon of JEERA or CUMIN seed powder, a teaspoon of black pepper powder. And you'll use a little bit of this ASAFOETIDA as well. ASAFOETIDA powder. Then for the tempering we need an onion.
Okay.
A few mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, 1 red chili, and some URID DHAL. Yeah? And you can put some curry leaves as well. Yeah? Get the juice of the tamarind into a pan. All the husk of the tamarind. Squeeze it all out nicely. So you do it twice, like, you know, pour some water and squeeze out the juice, and now it's all done, yeah? You got all the tamarind juice now in there. So that's finished.
Okay, so we add the blended tomato to the tamarind juice.
Yeah. Add half a teaspoon of salt and stir well, okay? Now add all the powders. Add all the powders into the mixture. And add a bit of water. This is quite a watery, like a soupy mixture, you know? It shouldn't be thick. Yes. A bit of ASAFOETIDA, add it into the mixture. Okay? Stir it well and bring it to a boil. It'll take about 10 to 15 minutes. So then all the ingredients get cooked. Pepper water's bubbled, we got to temper it with the seeds and the onions, right? So you put 1 tablespoon of oil into a pan and let it heat up. You put the curry leaves in. Put the seeds one by one. First the mustard seed, then the turmeric seeds, and the fenugreek seed. And let it pop. You put the URID DHAL last, yeah? Next you put the dry chilies and let them pop. Don't let them burn. Then you put the URID DHAL in. And when they're sort of a little bit brown, You put your onions in and fry them. Fry it till it gets golden brown. Now it's golden brown. You add half a teaspoon of turmeric and stir it. Add a little bit of water. Now it's ready. You put it into the pepper water. Right. Add a bit of water. The tamarind. Pour it in the pepper water. Then let the pepper water bubble once more. Now it's done, right? Stir it and serve it in a bowl. You eat it with rice.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and ding the notification bell.